Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a dedicated privacy policy page on Squarespace. Open Pages and add a new page titled Privacy Policy. Set the page URL to /privacypolicy for consistency and SEO. Paste a full policy text from a trusted template and edit specifics like data types collected and cookie usage. Use clear headings for data collection, use, sharing, and user rights. Review sections for your business name, contact email, and retention period. Save the page and keep its visibility set to public for visitor access. Next, add the privacy policy link to your site footer so it appears site-wide. Open Design and then Footer or navigate to Pages and the Footer navigation area. Drag or add the privacy policy page link into a visible footer section, such as Legal or About. Ensure the link uses the exact URL /privacy policy for consistency. Arrange links so privacy policy appears near terms and contact. Save the footer changes and check multiple pages to confirm the link displays correctly. Finally, enable cookie consent and make policy updates visible to users. Go to Settings, Cookies, and Consent, and enable the cookie banner with custom text and a link to /privacy policy. If you need more visibility, add an announcement bar or a code block for a consent modal. For EU visitors, confirm settings meet GDPR requirements and record consent where required. Update your privacy policy annually or whenever you change data practices or vendors. Publish changes and test the banner and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.